Taylor Swift and boyfriend, Travis Kelce, put on a loved-up display as they sweetly held hands during a romantic night out in New York City on Saturday. The Grammy winner, 35, who is spending quality time with the Chiefs' tight end amid his team's bye week, brushed aside the drizzly weather to grab a tasty dinner with the NFL player, also 35, at Chez Margaux. Just one day earlier, the lovebirds were previously spotted out in the Big Apple for a double date with producer Jack Antonoff and his wife, Margaret Qualley. Despite the chilly temperatures, Swift put on a leggy display wearing a black minidress that contained a hem that stopped inches above her knees.